Hello guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Johannes Rinaldi Rio Santana, and this is a video final task for English general purpose. Before that, I want to say thank you for everything, and also from Miss Siska, and also for my friend because she let me borrow the tripod and I can do this task. Yo, in this video, I will discuss about night owl versus early bird. There are two kinds of sleepers in this world. Night owl, who has well energy into the evening and go to the bed late. Early bird, that's one of the subscribe to the early rise and early to bed regimen. Still many will argue that early risers are better prop up for success because they are more proactive and ready to make things happen. Regardless, it can be denied that both early riser and night owl have their own strengths and the weaknesses. It doesn't make one better than other, only slightly different. Okay, we take a few differences or many differences. 1. Mood and energy. If you are night owl, you are more like hit snooze button several times before you actually getting wake up. And if you are morning person, you will wake up with a big smile and see the sunrise. Actually, you will get energy full until the mid of afternoon. Number 2, health. As an early bird, you tend to have a lower heart rate, have a much sleep apnea. As a night owl, on the other hand, you often have elevated stress level and you are more likely snore and might suffer from sleeping disorder. Personally, I'm an early bird person because in my opinion, being an early bird person has a many benefit. The benefit that I feel the most is that the body feel fresh, certainly healthier, and can see the beauty of rising sun. Biological clock greatly influenced my life as a student of the Faculty of Industrial Technology, where becoming an early bird, I was never late for the morning session. With it, indirect makes me a disciplined and fresh person. Every day, I always do my assignment in the morning around 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. which is my best moment to do the assignment because my mind is still fresh, so I easily get idea to solve the problem. Of course, there much on the big impact and the effect of being an early bird person, because when I become a early bird person, the weakness is definitely working at night. For me, night is above 22 p.m. where if working above 22 p.m. I already feel sleepy and out of focus because I was working from morning. There is an example, guys. Like November is a month full of deadline. Let's say deadline object-oriented programming. Because the deadline is only 5 days later, and in order to finish properly, we have to work in group until late at night. Oh, it's difficult for me. Because I'm an early bird person. I always feel weak and sleepy when working in group, but I already have a way to overcome. It is by taking a shower. The body will automatically feel fresh because of the cold water, even though the effect of drowsiness will attack again. But this is a risk that must be undertaken as an informatics student, where my average friend is not an early bird person, but this does not affect my waking up hours, even though I sleep late into the night. What kind of job that will suit the night owl and early bird person? For early bird person, there are many jobs that you can take for make a living, like being a teacher or being a lecturer or anything that requires to wake up in early. Because if you are teacher, well, we know in Indonesian, school start from 7 a.m. Because that you should to get up in the morning early. For a night owl, maybe you can be an artist or a DJ or anything that not really required to wake up early. Because if you become a DJ, we are not required to always get up early. With my ambition to become a network engineer, I think both night owl and early bird can do it. It's just they have their own optimal hours or time. Just how we adjust it later. Okay, where do you stand? A night owl or early bird? Don't worry, but the night owl or early bird has their own chance to success. And it's on why depend we can understand ourselves as a personal night owl or early bird. Nothing is better. Everything is just good depending on whether we can use it or not. Okay, that's all for me. I'm sorry if I make some mistake, if I did some wrong pronunciation. Here, I'm still learning, and I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you. Bye.